Yeah, this session we'll be dealing with nesting of one switch inside the other. So first, here we have taken the consideration of selecting the mechanical and computer department with respect to the numbers 1 and 2. So 1 is referring to the mechanical and 2 is referring to the computer department. And so that will be the choice given by this C1 in this for the case values in the first switch. And C2 will be the case values for the second switch, where we intend to take the subdivisions of 1 and 2 with respect to both the one mechanical and computer. So 1:1 for C1 and C2 will give a mechanical division with mechanical subdivision 1, and 1:2 will give mechanical with mechanical subdivision 2, and so 2:1 will give computer with subdivision of computer 1, and 2:2 will give computer with subdivision of computer 2. So there are 4 outcomes possible for the C1 and C2 entries. So accordingly, we have enclosed for C1 switch C1, where when with the case was 1, it was mechanical engineering, and corresponding to it, this mechanical, we opened a switch case where C2 was taking up the values 1 and 2, and default means any other value other than 1 and 2. And similarly, for the case 2 would be referring to the computer engineering for the first switch C1, and interior C2 will take 1 and 2 based on the computer being 1 and 2. So, and finally, for you both C1 and C2 will have a break statement with the default part if the C1 and C2 does not match with 1 and 2 at all. So accordingly, we have taken the option of 4 options possible here. That is 1:1 and 1:2 and 2:1 and 2:2. So let us give a start debug option, and we'll go for the debugging session of the day where exactly we intend to get the output. So we can have an option for, so we can give it for as 2:1. So we know that it will be for computer division with option 1, computer division with option computer 1. So it's computer engineering with computer division 1. So hence we get the values. Hence for it to be 2:2, it would have been given computer with computer division 2. And if it's 1:1, it would have been given mechanical engineering with mechanical division 1. And for 1:2, it would have been given it's mechanical engineering with mechanical engineering division 2. So in this ways, we can do a nesting of one switch inside the other.